So continue, maybe one more. Number 4. When reciting Kedushah, each person should take care to align his legs. So when we say the Kedushah, legs must be together, right? Feet. So that they are both together, give an impression as if they were only one leg, as it is written in Yechezkel 1:7, and their legs were a straight leg. So basically, just Yechezkel. Very interesting. In this Yechezkel, I think if I remember correctly, so he's talking about vision on Merkava, the godly throne, whatever it means. We don't know what it means, and he describes these angels, right? All of the angels and all of this Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. It's from his vision of the angels, right? That's what one angel was calling to another angel, and how they were standing. So what he saw, they had one leg. They have many hands. They have 4 faces. That's why it says that they were walking different directions, but they were not turning. So because when you have 4 faces, you don't need to turn basically. That's very convenient, right? So that's how we should stand for Kedushah. When recited the words Kadosh, 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 Holy, 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 as well as when recited Baruch, words Baruch, blessed and Yimloch. So it's like a second and third response that we did, and that he will reign in Yimloch. One should lift his body and his heels upwards, right? So meaning on his toes. The custom is to lift one eyes heavenward, but it is proper that they be closed at that time. Okay, so there are 2. I have to explain this because it's not everybody agrees with that. Okay, so first we say when we say Kadosh, 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 so you lift yourself up for 3 times, right? And same with 3 other recitation. So he said that the custom is to lift one's eyes up, right, heavenward, but close your eyes, right? So other people say, and the custom that I used to follow this custom for many years, unless I learned another custom also that you actually read the words. So when these words in Hebrew, they have holiness by themselves, right? So when, of course I know Kadosh, of course I know this word. I said it so many times, of course I remember. I don't need to say, but they say when you look at this holiness, so basically your eyes and your mind participate at the same time. So that's another recommendation. So whatever you choose to do, it's your personal business. You can close your eyes. You can look up, close your eyes, or you look at the cedar. It's basically whatever is good. This one good is that one good. Okay. So let me see how big is number 5. Okay, let's try number 5. Any questions, or we continue?
I have one question.
Please go ahead.
About the digital sidurim. I saw, for example, Art Scroll does not include the for Shabbos. So
of course not. Of course not. They don't want you to use on Shabbos. Of course not.
So it is this halakha not to program the application.
So I just started. So the person could feel like he was cheated. What do you mean? I pay you for a full siddur. You don't give me this insertion on Shabbos and Yom Tov. No, because exactly there is a law about halacha that we have, and we always employ it. Do not put a stumbling block in front of the blind. So if you would have siddur, like electronic siddur, for example, somebody just started, so he would be tempted to open up and read whatever the prayer for Shabbos. You understand? So, but why he was able to do that? Because this company put this text there. But if it's not there, okay. So we don't want to be like the vessel through which other Jew does the sin. You understand? He wants to do the sin. Okay, I cannot stop everybody, but at least it should not come through me, directly or indirectly.
I thought they forgot, but I see they on purpose.
Okay, actually time is almost up, so we can stop here and we go to the questions. So go ahead.